Hey boys, welcome back to another session. Today, we're just, doing a little beach session. Since we're in Alberta, we have no beaches because it's just all land. It's pretty hot out. Gotta wear that 100% sunscreen, and we're just gonna have fun on the beach, just like a regular beach. If your sunscreen's dried up, you really gotta go in the water, because I mean, it's like some. It's nice, really warm day.
Whenever you're at the beach, it's always pretty crucial to play some beach ball. You just want to send it flying.
Make sure it doesn't go in the water.
I'm just gonna want to dry myself off. Well, good day. Good spinning day. Anyways, see you later, boys. Catch us on YouTube and outside. See you, boys.